How to delete WhatsApp stickers. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. Open any chat from here. Now tap on the text bar to open the keyboard. In the keyboard, tap on the stickers icon as shown. Here, you can explore and view all the available stickers. You can also find stickers by tapping on the sticker icon in the text bar. You can explore and view all the available stickers, GIFs, and avatar stickers on WhatsApp. If you did not create an avatar yet, you can create one from here. You can choose and share these stickers in this chat. If you want to delete a sticker, then tap and hold the sticker in the stickers section. Then, tap on Remove. Tap on Remove again to confirm. You have now successfully removed the sticker. Following these steps, you can easily delete WhatsApp stickers.